What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Local time is 11:30 a.m. Eastern time, and we're located in Hardeeville, South Carolina, I believe. It's right on exit 5 on Interstate 95 before getting into Georgia. This is where my hours put me yesterday after that accident that happened on 95, as you guys saw in the last video. This is where they put me at. But yeah, I saw on the news last night that apparently, someone died in that accident. I guess someone was going northbound and they went into the southbound lane and they collided like head on. Yeah, oof, man, gives me goosebumps just by thinking about it. Just imagine. But yeah, guys, today is gonna be a short day. We're only about 5.5 hours from the customer, so yeah, we're just gonna go there and trying to see if we can park there for the night, so we can have a full clock tomorrow morning after we deliver at 5 a.m. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for coming back for another day of trucking, and I'll see you guys when we get back on the road. Peace out, guys. Be safe. Local time is 1:42 p.m. Eastern time, and there you have it. Welcome to Florida. The sunshine stayed, but right now it's cloudy and windy. Man, right now the wind, it's about 17. Hold on, let me go ahead and double check that. Yeah, about 17 miles per hour, and man, right now I'm about 11,000 pounds in the box, so I'm feeling all type of winds here. This is the inspection here on the right side. I usually not, but I always get a bypass here for the inspection and the weigh station with this company, so that's good. In my last company, man, I was hauling reefer, so I had to go to the inspection and the weigh station all the time. So now I'm feeling a lot better. I always get a bypass. Currently traveling Interstate 95 southbound. We're still in Jacksonville, Florida, and we have an accident up ahead. They're saying 2 left lane closed. And somebody said that it's a bad accident, so we'll see. But yeah, guys, I don't know what's going on today, but I guess today is just a windy type of day here in Jacksonville. Right now it's 79 degrees and it's 19 miles per hour. Yeah, we're outside of Jacksonville, but yeah, I don't know, guys. Other than that, we're about, let me go ahead and double check. We're about 2.5 hours away from Orlando, Florida. So about 135 miles away from our customer. So we'll see. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.